everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1990 Ford Mustang. This is a 5-liter LX convertible. And you want to talk about a fun car to drive, guys. This thing has a 347 cubic inch stroker motor with trick flow components, 5-speed manual transmission, suspension's all done. This thing is fun to drive. If you're looking for something with some horsepower to put the top down, you are going to love this car. 77,000 original miles on it. Bought it from a gentleman out of Ohio. Super nice guy. He did not do the work. He bought it from a gentleman who did the work. And actually, I bought a couple cars from this gentleman, and he's kind of having some health issues, so he's just kind of selling his hot rods. But great car. Factory white car. It's got the charcoal interior. Again, it's a 5-liter LX car from the factory that now has a 347 stroker underneath the hood. And beautiful, beautiful car. Couple little stone packs, but very, very nice. Clean underneath. Factory car light glass, of course, the bucket seats. This is a power top. It's got a black convertible top with the glass rear window. It works great. So the only panel that's not original to the car is this deck lid. It came factory with a luggage rack, and they didn't like it, so they bought a new deck lid and changed it over. But it's got lowering springs on it, Koni shocks, and so it's got a great stand, sits down a little low. Love the wheels. They kind of look factory, but those are VMS Racing aluminum wheels on it. Those are 10-inch wide rears. Great looking car. These cars are fun and fast. Again, it looks like, really kind of looks like a stock wheel, but it's not. It's actually a VMS wheel. Michey Thompson Sportsman rear on the rear. Of course, it's got front disc brakes. Dual power mirrors. Again, 347 stroker motor, trick flow, upper and lower intake. It's got a Pro-M Racing 75 millimeter cold air intake on it. Trick flow aluminum heads. It's got the 499 510 camshaft in it. Maximum Motorsports camber caster plates. It's got, again, lowering springs all the way around. It's got Koni shocks. You can see it's got ceramic headers on it, power steering, again, power disc brakes, got air blows cold, 5-speed manual trans. It's got frame connectors, and it's got a really good sounding Flowmaster X-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Again, power mirrors. You can see it's clean car. Power windows, power locks. Original door tags sitting in here. Bucket seats, center console. It's got the cruise. Factory dash, 77,638 on your odometer. It's got a Kenwood aftermarket sound system in it. Air fuel ratio gauge. It's got a 410 posi rear axle in it. All your little body tag stickers are on there too. got a power trunk release too. That's in the glove box. The original owner's manuals are also in there. Clean underneath. Yeah, someone's gonna have a lot of fun with this car, man. Like you say, it rips, it runs. All functional. There's a little plug in there he left in there, and all your blower motors working. Then guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video.